Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the fire hose cabinet in related with the firefighting system. So let's start the session. Actually, why we are focusing in this fire hose cabinet, especially in the firefighting system, if you notice in this item in the BOQ, it's the rate is a little bit high if compared with in other items and equipment. So for the most complex and high-rise building project, there's a lot of fire hose cabinets are involved. So if we missed anything, so it will be the huge cost impact for the contractor side. So that's why we have to very carefully focus in our drawing during our quantity takeoff and other related activities. And also in this item, you can see in this firefighting drawing. So this same drawing we use in our MEP quantity surveying courses also. At the time we discuss many things related firefighting systems. So especially before start the quantity takeoff, we have to fully understand what are the legends available in this drawing also. So there's a lot of firefighting related items and components involved. So especially now we are focusing only for the fire hose cabinet. So in this project, there's two types of fire hose cabinets are used. The first one is you can see the fire hose cabinet, the surface type. The second one is you can see the fire hose cabinet recess type. So there's two types only used in our project, but there's a lot of types are available. More than we can say that 10 types of fire hose cabinets are available. Let's say some example, the single door fire hose cabinet, double door fire hose cabinet, and also same our surface mounted and the recess mounted. And apart from these, heavy duty fire hose cabinets are available, and stainless steel fire hose cabinets are available, and glass fire hose cabinet like this, and mini fire hose cabinet. It's also using for some small residential building project. So these are the types of fire hose cabinets. So you can see the symbol of the fire hose cabinet. So we can also see in this item in our drawings, you can see this is a fire hose cabinet recess type. Okay, you can see FHC. So this one's a fire hose cabinet recess type. The recess and surface, there's a two types. So what is the main difference between these two types? So the recessed mean, you can see this is the block wall. Okay, so recessed mean it is fixed inside the wall. So that's why we using the recessed. The surface mean the fire hose cabinet will be fixed in front of the wall. So they will fix like this. So this is surface mounted. This one is the recess mounted. So this is the main difference between these two types. So if you notice in this project, this is one of the sample apartment, especially in this fire hose cabinet, especially we use for the corridor areas of the building. So if you notice in this drawing, you can find out another item in the another corridor area. You can see here the fire hose cabinet recess type. Okay, this one is the wall. The cabinet is fixing inside the wall. So you have to understand these things. Same like this, so each and every items and components that involve in the firefighting system, not only the firefighting system, entire MEP system, you have to understand first before start the quantity takeoff for any other related works. So the conclusion of this session is you have to, especially you have to focus the high rate items and equipment for the entire MEP system. So if you missed anything during your quantity takeoff counting time, huge impact for the costing.